Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome to today's video. I'm super excited. I was gonna save this box to open in a few days. I'll tell you about that in a second, but I couldn't wait. Plus I know a lot of people have already opened theirs, but I have the Colourpop Mystery Box. So they recently came out with 3 mystery bundles or boxes, and this is the smallest size, so this is $29. It is sold out, unfortunately. I just looked online, but we're supposed to get at least $61 in value in here, or maybe exactly. I guess we'll find out. And yeah, it's sold out, but if I can find the products that are inside, I'm not sure what's going to be in it. Sorry, Emmy's on the tripod. But I know sometimes with mystery boxes, they give away like items they're pushing out, and Colourpop like pushes out a lot of makeup. So I don't know what. I haven't shopped Colourpop in a while. I did watch some unboxings. I watched 2. And it was Teresa's Dead is actually how I found out this is even a thing. And then another one, and they were both the large size. And they got similar items, but there was some variation. I don't know if my box will be the same. So yeah, I'll link anything I can if possible. But I want to tell you about this idea. So I said I was going to do it in a few days. I was thinking like instead of Mega Monday, every once in a while I could do like a Mystery Monday and do mystery boxes. Because I find mystery boxes super fun. And I had this idea because I was on Etsy. And they have so many mystery boxes and just subscription boxes in general. I want to start incorporating more subscriptions like that I purchase on this channel, including mystery boxes. So if you guys know of any, please let me know, especially like smaller businesses, like Etsy type businesses. Now that I'm living somewhere a little bit cheaper, like I think I might be able to afford to like purchase at least 1 to 2 subscriptions a month, hopefully, or mystery boxes. So if you guys have any recommendations or you see anything, even if it's not like even if it's something big like Ofra or something, like they have a mystery box, let me know, please, because I would love to get it and share it with you guys on our channel. If you're interested in seeing that, let me know. I hope you like that idea. But yeah, love recommendations. Please let me know what you want to see. Subscription, mystery, just anything. Maybe even just other stuff that's not boxes. And if it falls too far away from boxes, we can always do it on the other channel, which, by the way, I will link down below. If you guys are not yet subscribed to this channel, or Kitty Outside the Box, which is like my vlog channel, or like everything outside of unboxings, I would love it if you subscribe. That means so much to me. I like saying that right there. But yeah, it's really early for me for filming. Hopefully the lighting's okay. I've been just using natural lighting here. I don't know if this is my permanent setup for my new place, but that's what we're rolling with, at least this week. So yeah, thanks for your patience, everyone, and let's get started. Yeah, it's like 10 a.m. I know, I've been up since like 5. I went to bed so early last night, and I think Emmy was confused. She got me up at 5. Like her food wasn't fresh enough or something. I don't know. Like, she's such a little diva like me. So I've been up for a while, but I usually don't film until like the afternoon after I get other stuff done. But I'm supposed to go out to lunch at 11, and figured let's get a box open, do a quick video. If I can get this. Why is this hard right now? I'm so used to using my nails, I guess. But here we go. So, it's a mystery on here. So, there's a decent amount of stuff in there. I didn't really put much lip stuff on. Maybe I put a lip liner. So I'm hoping there's something we can try on, but if not, I will use it in an upcoming video. I don't own much from Colourpop. I had a few things. I have 1 palette at least right now, 1 or 2. I think I'm decluttering one because it's really old. But everything else I have from them kind of expired because they're from mystery boxes like 2 years ago. Like lip products expire, you know. So I think there's 7 things in here. Let's get started. So the first thing here, is this a lippy? I think it's a lip liner. It says wine not on it, liquid liner. So it's for your eyes. Oh my gosh, is this wine colored eyeliner? It must be because liquid liner is never for your lips, right? But I think I was watching YouTube last night, actually, and they have a wine palette. I was thinking it was Colourpop. I wasn't really paying attention. I just had it on the background, but I stopped when I heard wine or something. You know, I'm a wino, and it was like Andrea Mattiliano, who I think is my exact birthday. Isn't that interesting? But anyways, she had a wine not palette, and it looked like it was a Colourpop palette. I was like, that sounds good. But anyways, Colourpop liquid liner, and I'm excited because it looks like it's going to be. Yes, it's like a burgundy color. I love it. Wine color. Hopefully you guys can tell. I think I have the camera a little bit more away from the natural lighting. Sorry, we're gonna move you. Oh man, why? You can see my mess. It's okay. Let's just get my bar stools today. I'm excited. Maybe I'll film up there sometimes. But we have lippy sticks now, and this is. Well, it says put me on your lips, sure. Who runs this mat? Who Who Run This Matte X. This looks like it's going to be a pretty color too. I've had one of their lippy sticks before and I did like it. Ooh, this looks like it's going to be a pretty color. You know, mystery boxes can be hit or miss. Ooh, this looks so good with what I'm wearing in my hair. Okay. I didn't hesitate at all with this. I'm like, yep. I don't really like putting on a lot of lip products before I go eat, for obvious reasons. And wear a mask and stuff. Because I have to go to Walgreens later. I have to figure out, sorry, I'm like acting like this is a vlog, you guys. Maybe I shouldn't talk to you right after I have my coffee. But yeah, French press coffee, by the way, it's so good. It seems stronger. But I'm going to Barcelona, hopefully. I have to like make sure all my vaccines are in check and stuff. But next up, we have Colourpop X Natural Defining Mascara in black. I tried their other mascara. This one's really pretty. Like the packaging, like that was when they first came out with it. It kind of had packaging like this, like little stars and smiley faces on it. And I think I liked it, but it did flake. So I think it's really cute packaging. I'm not going to open it actually out of the tube right now because I have other mascaras open. And mascara is like the one thing I'm pretty strict about with shelf life because I don't want my eyes to be damaged. We have two little like super shocks here. Oh my god, why is this the cutest packaging ever? Oh, it's a jelly much shadow. And it is in the shade She Grown. But look at how pretty the packaging is. I had a jelly much shadow like once. I think it dried out before I really even used it. And I think I got it like with a mystery box like forever ago, like to get free shipping or something. I don't know, that's usually what I do. I don't even think I did that with this. I was thinking about that. I was like, I should have added something else to the cart. But I'm trying to be more responsible these days with my finances. This looks really pretty. Oh man, everything's kind of coordinated. So there's a little top. Oh no, my nails. You would think long nails would help. Ooh, let's show you on there or here. This is way better, easier. If you guys got this, no matter what size, I would love to know what you got. Or if you just like love Colourpop, what do you recommend? Because like, they come out with so much, I don't even know. I haven't even been keeping up with releases until recently I started watching more YouTube. And so much comes out all the time. I don't even know, but Colourpop, yeah, all the time. But this is super pretty. Like, I am loving every single thing so far. Like, a lot. Yeah. And then next up, this is a Super Shock Blush. Ooh, cool. And this looks kind of like the wine. Like, wow, all their packaging is so cute. This is in, I thought it said butt cheek for some reason. I don't know why. It's like my inner child. Brute Flute. So like brute, like flute, like reminds me of champagne, kind of a flute. Brute is a type of champagne, I think, right? Should I get a mimosa at brunch? Okay, open please. Wow, this looks really pretty. I can't imagine using this on my cheek, but we'll swatch it and see. But I mean, I could always use it for an eyeshadow or something. If not, there's still at least two more. I think there's two more things in here. Ooh, this feels so nice. Look at that. That looks like an eyeshadow to me. Oh, it's definitely a shimmering blush. Like, I mean, I use those sometimes because it kind of acts as a highlight and a blush. But I haven't used a Super Shock Cheek. I think I had a highlight before, but not a blush. And then we have a little palette here. I think everyone got Animal Crossing palettes. I didn't even know they did an Animal Crossing thing. I got it for like a minute, like on my phone, because everyone was playing it and I got some FOMO. I'm not like a big gamer besides like The Sims. I love The Sims. And I haven't played it in a while and I want to. But anyways, I got this like phone app for Animal Crossing and apparently it's not the same. I only played it for like a day, but this is Animal Crossing What a Hoot Pressed Powder Palette. There's 4 shades, so it's a quad. And we're going to try and get it out. Usually I have a little thing. Oh, I like to use little, damn it, this one's too soft. I thought this would be perfect I think it's supposed to be used for contacts. Oh, I can take the little thing off. But yeah, if you guys are bad at opening things, trick, use tweezers. It took me a minute to think of the word tweezers. I just had a thought come to my mind that I didn't have my mic on. Oh my god, this is really cute. But yeah, I have like no like feelings towards Animal Crossing. Ooh, these are cute too. So it looks like we have two mats. One has like a matte with shimmer, and then a pressed glitter, which I'm not into them, and then a shimmer. But the colors do look pretty damn cute. Ooh yeah. Oh my gosh, I'm excited to try their eyeshadow. Oh my god. So that, love it. I'm really into those shades now. Let's just do. I don't really hate like the mattes with shimmers like some people do. I mean, can you even tell when it's on your eye? I don't know. Let's do a little bit of that pressed glitter. No, I don't know how that'll. So sorry, really awkward, but besides the pressed glitter, which doesn't really show up, but I don't have glitter glue on my hand or anything, I think this is a cute palette, like good every day. And there's a little mirror, which is nice. Love it. And then we have one more thing, which is actually a skincare item from Fourth Ray Beauty. I've tried a couple things from them. I don't really remember what it was, like a lotion or something. But this is a face milk. Oh yeah, they have face and body milks, don't they? So this is a Papaya face milk, revitalizing moisture barrier. And it has white tea, papaya oil, and papaya enzymes. So face milk. So it's like a serum, right? Apply 2 to 3 drops into the palms, warm between the hands, and press into skin. Use as needed. Yeah, so I would use this as a serum like before a heavier moisturizer and sunscreen. I've been good about my sunscreen lately. I normally wear sunscreen all the time, but I'm using like an extra layer of it because I feel like even inside my place there's a lot of sun, which I will show you soon. But you guys, I think that was totally worth $29. There's a lot of stuff. I know Colourpop's on the affordable side, but everything's like, look at my hand. Like all these colors are super pretty. Nothing's weird. Like I don't even really mind like weird makeup. You know, like all of these, in my opinion, are wearable. Like I don't like saying that word sometimes because like it's all, you know, your opinion. Like, but I'm giving you my opinion. I like everything. Again, if you guys got this, I would love to know what you got. And let me know your recommendations for mystery boxes and subscription boxes, any kind. One subscription box just came to mind that I've been eyeing for a while, and I was like, when I move, like I have to like earn it, or like, you know, maybe when I'm done packing, I'll get it. But I'm that type of person. I like rewards. Like I have to do things, like even like snacks or something. I'm like, well, if I get this video recorded, then I can go, I can get brunch or have a mimosa, which I now is on my mind, and I need one, but Lunarly is the box I was thinking about. But let me know what you guys want to see, because that's what matters. Your opinion matters so much to me. I love you guys so much. I'm grateful for you every single day. I hope you're all safe and healthy, and I will see you super soon. Bye, guys.